Hello everyone, Bojo said I have to stay at home, so I'm going to make some homemade whipped coffee, and you can do it yourself at home. Now first, these are all the ingredients you need, and put that kettle on and let that water boil. Now first things first is grab that instant coffee and 2 tablespoons. That's 1 tablespoon in there, bang, and that's another one in there. Please hurry up, please hurry up, please hurry up, and cha-ching, that's in there. Alright, next thing we're going to do is add a dash of Americano for the extra kick. You know how you like it with the extra kick? So I'll put that in there, done. Now next thing you're going to do is grab 2 tablespoons of this sweet sugar. That's all in there. And see that water you were boiling before? Yeah, now it's coming into play. Add 2 of those bad boys. That's 1 right there. Kaboom. And another 1. Come on, hurry up, mate. We ain't go there. Cha-ching, that's in there. Bam. Now you want to grab that whisk and just whisk it till it's thick. Come on, let's keep going. Just whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. And look at that beauty. Done. Now what you want to do, add some hazelnut syrup for that sweet extra sweetness, and put just a dash of it, just a dash, my brother. And next thing you're going to do is grab that whisk again and then mix it up, mash it up. It's all in there. There we go. Keep whisking, keep whisking, keep whisking till it's nice and thick and even. Now we're going to take it out, put it to the side, and now grab your milk of your choice. I prefer full fat, but you can go almond or coconut almond. For my vegan brothers and sisters out there, we're catering for all needs now. Come on, it's 2020, mate. Just because Corona's here don't mean we have to be insensitive. Right, cool. Now we're going to add some ice in there because you want it cold like my bars. Yes, I said my bars. All right, cool. Next thing we're going to do is grab that 4 tablespoons in each serving just to nice it up. That's 4 in there. Grab another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I feel like Count Dracula. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just grab the rest of it in there. Just mix it up to make it nice and presentable. See, nice. And now, just make it look presentable. All right, just gonna let her do her thing. Right, she's done. Now, just for add a little bit of finesse, add that syrup at the end, and boom, you're done. Look, beautiful, sweet coffee goodness. Now that's perfect for a hot summer's day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can make this at home. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe this video and let me know if you want some more.